friends, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to see about how to download any Instagram profile picture using Python. So here we are going to download Sophia Robots profile picture. Okay, run the program. Okay, it's done. Then we are going to open the file. Okay, here it is. It is the profile picture of the real Sophia robot in Instagram. So let's go and let's get it. For this project we need a module. So open terminal and give a command pip install loader. The name of the module is install loader, install-loader. Okay, the required module is already satisfied me. If you not install, just install it. Next we are going to give a command import command and importing a module. Next we are declaring a variable k and giving equal to sign and passing our modules install loader function. Okay, we done it. Next we are going to declare another variable. The name of the variable is username. Within the single quotes we want to give our Instagram username. Okay, I will let you show. I am going to open my Instagram IDs. Better I have two IDs, one for personal, one for official. Okay, I will show you that. It's my official account, it's my personal account. Okay, I need this username only. Okay, to download this profile photo, I will copy it and paste here. Next and final, we want to give the print statement. Within this print statement we want to give several commands. So here we are passing our variable k dot and giving a command download underscore profile. It's a command, and within this command we want to pass our username, required username. Okay, so I am passing here username comma and final command is profile pic only. That's a command in this module, profile pic only, and giving equal to sign and giving true. Okay, let me explain this program. First we want to import the module. Next we are declaring a variable k and passing our module as functions. Next we want to declare a username and passing our required username. Next print statement. Here we are going to give a command k.download profile, and within this parenthesis we want to pass our username, and finally profile pic only equal to true. Let me run this program. Okay, there is a error. Let me check. Yes. Here we want to give a capital I. So install loader is in capital I, our function. Okay, I'm going to run the program. Okay, it's done. See, the name of the JPEG image is this. We want to open our project folder. Here right click and show in Explorer. See, there is a specific folder is created for our Instagram profile picture. Okay, it's it. Let me check. It's my Instagram ID and this profile picture is downloaded using Python. Okay, little simple. Often using my Instagram ID and my purposes. So here I'm going to download another profile picture. So here we are going to download a real Sophia robot profile pictures. Okay, I will change the name, paste it. Okay, we're going to run the program. Okay, the code is successfully done. Going to open the folder and let me check. Okay, it is done. So download Instagram profile pictures using Python. Done. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics.